Gracias por esas 10 cosas. No, a ver. Yo le di al episodio 2. Gracias por esas 10 Bob Esponjas, Dani. Gracias. Sí. Pero que yo le dejé jugar al episodio 2. Entonces me timaron. Pero es el episodio 2 de la historia. Este es para 10 flores, Dani. Miras el episodio 2. Mira el episodio 2 hambriento. Pero según este es la segunda. ¿No viste la historia? Mira, mira. Mira, aquí dice que la segunda. El siguiente es el episodio 2, hambrientos de ayuda. Espero esas rosas blancas, cada año. Muchas gracias. Te agradece. ¿Y qué tú trabajas, Dani? ¿Y cuáles son tus juegos favoritos? ¿Te gusta el Warzone? El Warzone lo he jugado con mi hermano. Ah, no me jodas que me pasó desde el principio. No, Cocker, ¿qué es este? ¿No puedo saltar esto? No, Marta, otra vez. Bueno, corte. Qué heavy.
Damn it. What'd they get this time?
Looks like a rabbit.
Well, that's another meal lost. I still can't believe we went through all that commissary food in 3 months. It seemed like so much at the time.
Maybe you shouldn't have opened the door.
Yeah, except then I'd probably be food by now. Trust me, I have no regrets.
Rabbit's hardly a meal, Mark, but I'd take
El
it.
MOBA lo jugué muy
We're all
poquito con un
hungry.
pana.
No kidding.
Pero
When I
que
accidentally
está
grabbed for
roto ahí
Carly's
los
rations the other
campeones.
night, I thought she was gonna take off my hand.
Hace mucho no
We're
lo
all
vuelvo a
on edge.
instalar para
Just cut us some
instalarlo para
slack.
ver si jugamos un día de esto.
Yeah, you're right. I wish I knew for sure how much food we have left.
Por ahora no sé cuándo lo vaya a jugar porque tengo algunos
You'll have
jueguitos
to ask Lily.
pendientes.
She's the one
Tengo que
handling
terminar.
the
Este uno de esos.
Or mishandling it.
También
if you
tengo que
ask him.
terminar mi Resident
He's
2.
just worried about his kid getting enough. I'll worry about Clementine, too.
You
El
think Kenny's having any
corazón.
more luck than we are out here?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, between the lack of food and Kenny and
Claro,
Lily
sí
fighting
te
all the
hablo.
time, things are getting pretty tense back at the motorhome. You know, Kenny's been talking about taking off if he can get that RV running.
Ustedes no lo saben, pero yo estoy
He's
jugando
got a
con
wife and son
control.
to look out for.
And they're safest in a big group. Going out on his own will get them all killed. Can't blame him, though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal, anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
Ojetón.
Larry's just looking out for his daughter.
Hey, I know Lily. She can take care of herself. He needs to take that energy and put it towards finding us some more food. And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's all muscle. He's a walking pile driver. I know I wouldn't want to be stuck in a room with him. And didn't he punch you in the face one time?
Knock me flat.
La rosa.
Take this shot. We need anything we can get at this point.
Ya, se la rosa. Ojito como que la capitana. Ah, para enseñarte a jugar LOL.
Shit! Was that Kenny?
I don't know. Come on.
¿Cómo que tú trajiste para comer? Los que corren, Marta. Porque todo el mundo cruza rosa, Danny. Muchas gracias. Te va bien en ese trabajo que tú estás.
Get it off! Get it off! God damn it! Get it off me! Travis, maybe they can help.
These might be the same guys that raided our camp, and we barely got away from that.
What guys? Why the fuck is there a bear trap out here?
What the hell happened?
Mr.
Bosque,
Parker
hay
said we
una-
should stay off the streets. We were trying to be careful,
Oh, genial.
Lee,
Me
this is fucked
alegro.
up. You've gotta help.
but please,
¿Qué componentes vas a poner en tu nueva
My
PC?
dad was special forces. I know what I'm doing.
just see if you can get him out. After that, you can leave us or whatever. I don't care. Please.
Was he bitten?
Bitten? No, I swear. Hurry, please, hurry.
Lee, this trap's
Dale,
been
¿qué pasa,
altered.
sir?
There's no release latch.
Oh no.
Shit. Walkers.
Ojo, usted que te entra de más.
Please.
Oh,
Get me out of this.
qué bueno.
Get the boys back.
Me alegro que te vaya bien.
Kenny, keep those walkers off of me.
Oh, vamos a mochar la pata.
Something.
No, no, no. Try the trap again. Anything, please.
Vamos a mocharle la pata. Se va de malla.
Let's go, let's go.
Démosle la pata.
Lee, it has to be now.
Shit. Is he...
He passed out.
Se desmayó.
If he's alive, grab him and let's go.
A correr los leques.
Behind you!
Travis!
Come on, we gotta move!
Muerto, otro más muerto. Increíble. Qué bueno, me alegro. Que vaya bien. Pero te siga yendo bien. Todo el mes. Increíble, cada episodio perdemos a alguien más. Sí, le hemos hecho una pata y el otro sacrificado. Increíble. Yo tengo un pequeño negocio ahí de vendo artículos sublimados, personalizados. Es probablemente Bob Esponja. Este tipo de juegos de novelas visuales me gustan, la verdad. Y este es mi segundo que me pasa. Que ya me había jugado otro antes. Está muy chistoso. Ah, dale, que pases bonita noche, Dani. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos. Tenga un bonito día mañana. Bye,
Get the
bye.
gates open! We've got wounded!
Shit! What the hell are they doing?
Hasta mañana. Muchas gracias por todo. Que tengas un buen día mañana. Bye, bye.
What happened?
What's going
Don't
on?
have time to explain.
Lee, are you okay?
Get him into the truck. I'll see what I can do.
Cat,
okay?
can you fix him?
Jesus, Ken.
Lee.
I don't know.
Lee!
Suspendí
What
un
the hell?
chintal de
You
hoy,
can't
pero
just
era
be
porque yo
bringing
estaba
new
editando
people here.
un clip
What
para
are you
subirlo
thinking?
mañana.
Hey, you want to calm down for a fucking Hey, minute? watch your
No,
mouth.
I don't! I want to know why you thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
We left the other one behind.
Other one? Jesus, Lee. What if there are more of them? What if they followed you here?
There wasn't anybody else, just us.
How do you know he's not lying?
Well, hang on. We haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
Come on, Lily, these are
Like
people.
te los
People
puso
trying to
todos los
survive
finales
just like
posibles.
us. We've got to stick together to survive.
The only reason you're here is because you had food. Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
No?
Fine, you guys fight it out then. Welcome to the family, kid.
Como que era uno tenía que morir,
Come
¿no?
over here and see what I drew.
What? No,
Just come on, okay?
You know, you like to think you're the leader of this little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions. This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
Oh, come on. You're being dramatic. Everything always turns into a power struggle between you two. I'm not going to be a part of that.
Hey, I didn't ask to lead this group. Everyone was happy to have me distributing the food when there was enough to go around, but now that it's running out, suddenly I'm a goddamn Nazi.
Lily's right. This group needs someone to be a leader or we're all gonna fall apart. We can't keep fighting amongst ourselves.
Great. Way to take sides, Lee.
Look, they're here now. We can't change that. So, what do you want to do?
They can stay until Katja finishes working on that guy. Then they have to go. I don't care what condition they're in. We just don't have enough food.
I don't see any of you stepping up to make the hard decisions. My girl's got more balls than all of you combined.
Dad, please. Why don't you go help Mark with the wall? Look, I can't do this right now. You understand what I'm dealing with? Please do me a favor. I need you to handle the rations today.
That's all you giving out?
If we're gonna make what's left last the week, then this is all we can spare today. It's not gonna be enough for everyone, but just do what you think is right.
Bueno. Pasaremos hambre. O sea que tengo que elegir a quién darle y el que no le dé se jode.
How you doing, Clementine?
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay, Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Here, Clem. You need something to eat.
I love apples. Thank you. Are there more?
No, honey. That was the last one.
Oh,
Enjoy it. You deserve it. Want something to eat? Here.
Me? How about you? You look like crap, Lee. When was the last time you ate?
I'm okay.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak. I know I said it didn't matter why you saved me instead of Doug, but...
You don't know anything, Carly. Want something to eat? Here, Kenny. Take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
No.
Come talk to me once my boy's taken care of.
El niño muere, ¿no? Me hicieron un spoiler ahorita.
Hey, Doc. How about a little food? Here.
Yeah! Oh man, I'm so hungry.
Esto no quiere entonces.
Want something to eat? Here, Kenny. Take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
Yeah, I gave him something.
Sure, then hand it over. I'm starved, thanks.
Some of these people have gone longer than me without food. They're the ones that need it.
¿Qué más puedo darle? ¿Dónde está el otro pendejo?
Here.
Thanks, Lee.
Well, that's it.
Not such an easy job, is it?
I don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Porque tú lo odias.
Hey, thanks for looking out for me and my family.
Yeah, of course.
Still, I guess some people aren't going to be happy with your choices.
You're out! What happened to my food?
There's none left.
You keep treating people like this, and your days in this group are numbered.
Habla el
You're one to
viejito, se
talk,
por él.
old man.
Yeah?
Tapo-
Well, I don't see you
Gracias,
working
está-
on that wall.
¿Aló? ¿Qué le pasa al viejo? ¿Y ahora qué? Tengo que hablar con todos, ¿verdad?
Hey, is my friend gonna make it?
I don't know, but Kaja will do her best. I promise.
I can't believe you chopped off his leg.
There was no other way. Hey, Ben. I hope you understand why I didn't give you any food.
I'm new. I get it. It's fine, Lee, really.
Relax. We'll get your friend back to normal in no time.
I sure hope so.
Word's getting out that you want to leave the motor in.
That ain't no secret, Lee. It's probably our best bet.
I'm not sure that's the best idea.
You gave Glenn your blessing when he left. Just asking you respect my choice as well.
Yeah, but he was leaving to find his friends. Your family's right here.
Your
Here
family.
isn't doing us any good. You should think about coming with us, you and Clem.
The coast does sound like a smart idea. Maybe that is the best thing.
I know that it is. I'm taking my family.
Ok, Kenny se fue.
Is he gonna be okay?
I don't know. Can you give me a hand real quick?
I'd better not.
It's okay, I'll handle it. Just give me some space, okay?
sturdy, but it's not gonna hold up forever, just like the rest of this place.
Ay, ¿yo qué tengo que hacer aquí?
I need space, Lee.
Maybe we should think about leaving the motel.
God, not you too. I know Kenny wants to leave. I think that's why he's so eager to get the RV working. But this is a good spot. We're protected, we're close to the drugstore, we have a routine now and it's working.
For now. We should talk about you and Kenny.
What about us?
They're arguing. It's getting pretty out of hand. You know people notice that.
Look, I'm working my ass off to make sure we have a good setup here, and Kenny just doesn't appreciate that.
Kenny,
All we
Kenny,
need is
Kenny,
food.
todo Kenny, todo Kenny.
But there is no food. You know that better than anyone.
Well, we'll just have to
O sea,
find some.
Kenny,
Keep an
todo
eye
ser
out.
su buen Kenny.
I will.
That thing doesn't work anymore, does it?
No, not since it broke at the drugstore.
Just gonna hold on to it then?
Yeah, if that's okay. I need it.
It's okay, hon.
You said you didn't think they would find us,
Well, yeah, but that's just because...
but we can try to find them.
Look, Clementine.
I'm not stupid, Lee. I know it's just pretend. But it makes me feel better.
Okay, you take good care of it then.
I will.
You'll be okay over here?
Uh-huh. I'll be okay.
It keeps the walkers out. Carly's been doing the bulk of the lookout duty.
Will you hold the damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this weak already.
Tengo
What
un
do you
mal
want? A
presentimiento,
handout?
Marta.
I got 60 cents in my pocket. If you'll shut up and quit being such a
Vamos,
pansy.
vamos, aguanten.
You've got to talk to Lily about getting along with Kenny.
Lily can make her own friends.
It's not about making friends. We're all in this together. We gotta start acting like it.
Stuff all that. We'd be fine without you.
Lily thinks we should throw these new people out.
Damn right. There's too many people hanging around here as it is.
I'm sorry, Larry, there's nothing left.
Go piss up a flagpole, Lee.
Hola, Neymar.
Need any help with the wall?
Nope.
Actually, we could use your axe. Do you mind if we take it?
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
No quiero darle la hacha.
Here, Mark, this should help.
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
Come on, Larry. Cut Lee some slack. He knows you're just out to protect Lily. He told me so. Just like he's trying to protect Clementine.
He... Oh,
Le di a la de
I
comer a
just
lo
need
mocoso.
some food. Going this long without a proper meal make anybody cranky.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
Fue lo primero que hice.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Ken, come back. There's nothing...
What's his problem?
Don't be like that, Lee. I know we've all seen death, but that doesn't make it any easier. That man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
What about the other kid?
¡Ah, la madre! ¡Qué susto! XD.
stuck!
Pero Marta. Uy, qué susto. Me da algo.
You okay?
Y a ver, yo sé que no se oye el juego, es porque lo vaya a saber. Enamorada.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all killed!
You said he wasn't bitten.
What?
We
Me da
asked
un
you point
infarto,
blank, was
Marta.
he bitten, and you said no. He wasn't. Well, you're not bitten friend
Y le
here
di la
came back to
manzana a
life
Clementine.
and tried to kill my wife.
What? Wait, you all don't know?
What the hell are you talking about?
No, es que en
It's
el
not
TikTok
the
dicen
bite.
que no
It
se oye,
doesn't.
pero yo ya lo tengo desactivado el sonido.
You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
We're all infected? Everyone?
I guess so. I don't know. All I know is that I've seen people turn who I know were never bitten. When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them.
Claro, por eso les digo a ustedes que tienen que venir a TikTok y diga la morada, porque si no vienen a la morada no lo van a oír.
Back off!
Whoa, lady, relax.
Se oye bien, ¿verdad? No se oye más alto que mi voz.
Know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off! Carly.
Are you armed?
Yeah, for protection. Dead could be anywhere.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
Why do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out? See if it's legit.
I'm going with you. I got your back if anything seems fishy.
So, what are y'all thinking?
I think we'll stay here. We're starting to develop a good vibe here at the motel.
Good vibe? Well, Christ, Daddy-o, I'm sorry the folks with the food supply and defenses didn't tickle your pretty pink ass.
We need to think like a group, Lee. This affects everyone.
Then we vote. If everyone agrees, then we'll send you guys with some gas to check the place out.
And if we don't?
Then we'll stay in this wretched roach motel with your recreational paperweight over there. Plus, we stay close to Macon where we have access to the pharmacy. For Dad. Kenny? Katja?
We go.
Dad?
You betcha, pumpkin.
Carly?
I said we go.
I'm in. If they're offering food, we gotta at least check it out.
Clementine.
Lee, I'm very hungry.
All right. Looks like we're going to a dairy.
So, this dairy, you guys really have food?
Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
It's nice to get away
Nada
from
de
that
que te
motel for a while.
consuele.
This Lily Kenny thing is starting to get ridiculous. Personally, I'd be happier if you started to take charge more.
Lily's way of running things is smart. It's not easy, but it's keeping us alive.
Or maybe you just don't want to be in charge.
Well, not everyone thinks I'm so trustworthy.
Because of your past. Does anyone else know?
Larry knows.
Great. That can't be easy.
Clementine might know. She was there when we were talking in the drugstore and asked me about it. I lied to her, but
Les mentí, no
What
soy
exactly
esa.
did happen with the senator?
now is not the time.
Well, I'm here whenever you want to talk.
Sometimes I wonder if I should talk to the group about it.
You don't have to. Whatever happened before things went to hell doesn't matter anymore.
Not sure everyone would see it that way.
Maybe you're right. Listen, over the years, I've reported on some pretty messed up shit. I've seen situations like yours 100 times. It doesn't have to make you a bad man.
I really appreciate that.
I mean, thank God Lee
¿Ustedes
showed
creen
up
que
when
yo
he
pueda
did.
pasar al
Right, Lee?
Outlast?
Yeah, why don't you
Tengo
tell us a
ganas de
little more
jugarlo
about yourself,
también.
Lee?
Where are you from?
I move around a lot. Hard to call any place home.
Tengo
I
ganas de
guess.
pasar al
I
Outlast.
used to move around a bit myself, but the dairy will always be home to me.
Y'all seem pretty
gustan los
settled in
juegos
with that
de miedo?
motor inn. Who's running things over there?
En el Forest salieron
We work as a
muchas,
group. All of us looking out for
muchos
each
clips
other.
buenos de
I hear
sustos.
that.